Oh, got one. No, it came off. Oh, he bit it. Damn. They are eating it weird. Oh, he got it again. He got it again. We're on. We're on. And this thing is big, guys. Guys, this thing is big. It's pulling drag. This thing is huge, guys. Huge fish. Huge fish, guys. Oh my God. No. Get out of those trees. No, get out of the trees. Oh, get out of the trees. Oh, guys, this thing is huge. Oh my God. Get over here. Get over. No. No. Alright, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Chasing Calabasas. We're here at Lake Success today. We have the bandito bug tied on and the spinner bait. We're going to be passing up in these trees, seeing if we can get any bites off these trees right here. We should be able to. Hey guys, so we just put a brand new bandito bug on. We're here deep inside this lake right here. There's a bunch of structure and trees. So we're just going to cruise down, make our cast, and see if we can get munched out here. Dallas got the spinner bait stuck in a tree. And I got the bandito bug, Texas rig. Let's see if these fish aren't camera shy. You got it?
Yeah, just about.
All right, cool.
Good save.
That was a crazy cast. Oh, got one. No, it came off. Damn, I had one right there. I felt him. Oh, he bit it. Damn. They are eating it weird. Oh, he got it again. He got it again. Oh, come over here. Come here. Hey, no, no. Catch your butt in here. Chill out.
Crawdad?
That little bandito bug, one I told you that might work. He doesn't want to open his mouth for me. Hey,
Bottom fishing now.
these, yeah, that craw that you have, for sure. He doesn't want to open his mouth. He's strong, bro. Let's go, my first Lake Success kayak fish. Thanks to Dallas. Let's go.
Oh, yeah.
Shall we weigh him just to weigh him? See how much we get today?
He looks like 1.5 pounds.
Yeah, really. Not even, maybe just a pound.
Do it. It's your first trip out.
Yep. This guy right here. He does not play. All right. So let's go ahead and turn this bad puppy on. And we. Hey, chill. Yeah. Oh, that's too funny. All right, this time let's actually clamp it. There we go.
How are you doing your action?
Just let it fall, honestly. Is that? Just on the fall, with the light Texas rig weight, and they tear it up. All right. I don't know if that's right. Hey, chill.
That's a stubborn ass fish right
Dude, he was angry. All right, there you go. That should work now. All right, that is official weight. 1 pound, 16 ounces. God, look at it.
Is it 16 ounces in a pound?
Yeah, so shouldn't it be a 2-pounder?
Yeah.
All right, it's a 2-pounder. Let's get the release on this stubborn. He's gonna jump. I promise you. Look at him. That guy is free. I couldn't even let him jump.
You ruined his breakfast.
Yeah. He's like, hey, bro, man, I'm hungry, dude. Don't be playing tricks on me. Let's go. That's how you get it started, though. You switch to the craw?
Yeah.
Heck yeah. Right by this tree. I knew it bit it that first time, though. I knew that was a fish. It just ate it weird. So the second time I let him munch on it a little longer. Heck yeah. And we gotta keep the bandito bug.
Which one do I have on here?
I said I got more if you want one of these. It's a brand new pack I brought. We're on. We're on. And this thing is big, guys. Guys, this thing is big. It's pulling drag. This thing is huge, guys. Huge fish. Huge fish, guys. Oh my God. No. Get out of those trees.
From the trees.
No, get out of the trees. Oh, get out of the trees. Oh, guys, this thing is huge. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Get over here.
Yeah.
Get over.
Yeah.
No, 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 no. Chill, chill. Your net, your net, your net, your net, your net is behind you, behind you. Sorry, I just want to get this fish. Oh my God. Get him. Get him. Get him. Let's go. Woo!
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Look at that bad.
Woo!
Yeah.
Woo!
He said, I don't know what you're going to do with that net.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Yeah!
Spinners it is.
Woo! Stuck in the tree, fell out, smacked it on the fall.
Nice.
That's my PB, maybe. That's 6. That's my freaking PB, bro.
Is it 6?
That's 6. Oh my God! We've been grinding, bro. This has not come easy. On the worst cast of the day, guys. I literally landed in the tree, popped it out, and this guy freaking picked it up on the fall. Oh my God.
See that bad boy, dude.
Oh my God, look at this. Oh, look at that toad, guys. Jesus, let's get a weight on this beautiful fish.
Yeah, baby. Yeah.
You gotta be kidding me, bro. That was teamwork.
Yeah, bro.
That was teamwork right there, bro. Hell yeah. Oh my God, guys, let's get a weight on this fish. I'm shaking. Oh, it's not my PB. It's almost a 5-pounder though. Oh my God. Or am I just not holding it high enough? Oh my God.
Where you at?
It's not locking. Oh, it's my fault. It's so heavy I can't even carry it. Oh, it's got to keep touching the water. 418, it doesn't want to lock though.
So they're sitting right outside the trees right
Right outside the trees, bro. I think I need to re-clip it somewhere else. I need to get out of this. Oh, I'm snagged. That's I'm getting all stuck in this tree. Thank you. Okay. Sorry guys, I'm doing a horrible video right now, but I need to get this fish weighed and back on its way. Let's try on the top of the lip. All right guys, we're gonna weigh this fish. It might just be hot and it's not working. All right guys, here at Lake Success with Dallas, just caught the biggest of the day, a 4.16 pound fish, pretty much a 5-pounder. This is only my second fish here on the kayak ever at Lake Success, and it's a big one. So we're gonna let this beautiful fish go, and we're gonna get back out there with the spinner bait. Oh, it's been a good day. Thank you so much for the bite. All right, go ahead. Oh my God, look at that big fish, guys. Heck yes.